loop in C++ programming, multiplication table program coming up. So, print the multiplication table of 12 from 1 to n. There are variations in the program that I can show you. And why only 12? There are so many numbers. And the number can be anything. So, here comes the program. Alright, so the first thing, print the multiplication table of 12 from 1 to n. Now last time I showed from 1 to 10. This time if I say from 1 to n therefore is the limit, and therefore n can be anything. That anything can change every time I run the program. Therefore I can input the value in n. So if I want to input the value in n, I will have to put in Cin for that. So enter limit of n in Cin. Once I have inputted multiplication table of 12 from 1 to n. See, I have printed n outside the quotation mark. Now, therefore, if I now say, let me run the program. Let me run the program then. I will go to execution, and if I enter this time, if I enter 20, what do you think the output will be? Please take time, pause the video, think what the output will be, and then when I press enter, you see what the output has come as. It has come from 1 to 20 because my upper limit is not restricted to 10 this time, right? I go back to the program, and if I run the program once again, if I run it this time with 15 in n, then what do you think the output will be? See, this time k is going from 1 to 15. Hence, the program's output is multiplication table of 12 from 1 to 15, right? Instead of multiplication table of 12, can I make it a multiplication table of some other number? Say, for example, can I make it a table of 24? Possible? Yes, it is possible. All I have to do is I have to change this, the output statement, and I have to change the source, which is this. This time, if I run the program, what will I see? I will see this. Input the limit. This time, suppose if I input the limit as up to 16, just like that, I want to see from 1 to 16 this time. If I press enter, what will I see? 24's table, 24 into 1, 24 into 2, up to 24 into 16. So I can see the table of any number. In place of 24, I can have any other number also. Now comes the table of any number from 1 to n. Now to start with that, multiplication table of, I change this to number, if multiplication table of number t. I store the number in t. T is possible. So in that case, I will need to ask the user, what is the number whose table you want to see? So I'll have to take input of the number also and input of the limit also. So here I will have to write C out, enter the number whose table you want to see. Whose table you want, right? This is my output statement. And C in which variable? Make a guess. Yes, it is t. In t, whatever number is given, I will print the multiplication table of that number. So here, multiplication table of 24. No, multiplication table of t. See, I'm doing the program right in front of you. So you can also dare to do it. Then 24 into k. No, here it will become, therefore now I cannot write t inside quotation mark. It will show alphabet t. If I write t outside quotation mark, then it will show the variable directly variable way. Now look into this program, pause the video, look into this program very, very carefully, and when I will run the program, you will also have to run the number whose table you want. When you will run the program, you can choose a number. When I am running the program, let me choose 21. Multiplication table of 21 from 1 to from 1 to okay, let me take up to 14. From 1 to 14. Okay, let us see what comes. 21 into 1, 21 into 2, 21 into 3. Now it is your turn to look into the program very carefully. Pause the video, see the program, see the output, then go back and then come ahead and verify whether your output matches with the program's output and you have understood or not. Okay?